I recently saw a video of Dutch settlers burning the South African flag. This has to be illegal somehow, right? You would be surprised that there are protocols on how to respect the South African flag. The flag must never be allowed to touch the ground or the floor, be used as a tablecloth or draped in front of a platform, be used to cover a statue, plaque, cornerstone, etc. at unveiling or similar ceremonies, be used to start or finish any competition, race or similar event, be manufactured or used as an undercloth, buttcloth or on the floor mats or any similar demeaning application, be used in any commercial advertising in a manner that will distort or show disrespect to the flag. Why isn't burning of the flag amongst this list? I mean, that is traumatizing. When I saw the flag being burned, it's not right. It doesn't feel right. So they need to add that caveat. They need to add that bullet point that burning of the flag is illegal, because that doesn't seem right, man.